Alright, so we're going to take 2 swings for me here. Get warmed up.
Going for that tallest tree out there. That's not the trick.
Alright, so what we're going to focus on today is going to be what I see that you need to work on that we spoke about in the past. That's going to be a lot about your weight transfer.
Okay.
So you're obviously pretty well in tune with your body. You understand a lot about core strength and about how we're going to move and transfer our weight throughout the golf swing. What I do see a lot of the time is when you start shifting forward, what happens is your body gets in front of your hands and your club and you kind of just lag it behind and you kind of get stuck.
Yeah.
So for you, it's going to be those kind of like those 2 shot shapes there, where it did kind of lead out to the left, just because you kind of just got stuck and you just swung out.
Yeah.
That's where the ball was going to go from the start.
Right.
Okay. So what we're going to check on first is going to see how far you actually move from your original setup to by the time you go through impact. Okay. So all of these, we'd like to see that the central part of your body between your feet and your head should never get too far in front of your lead foot.
Okay.
So I feel like what I see when you make your good swings, your head kind of stays inside of your front foot.
Okay.
And your flight's fine. And then your bad ones might be where you slide a little bit too far forward, you get your head in front of your foot. Right. Okay. So I'm going to put the stick. So get set up to where you're going to feel comfortable, where you're going to hit your next one. Okay. So this is going to be a training aid that we're going to use moving forward here. Comfortable right there?
Yep.
Okay, so before you hit that right there, I put that there, the alignment stick, just so you can feel like you have something that you can move forward to, but not pass.
Can I move all the way to it?
Yep, so once you feel like you can get, so bring the club all the way back. Okay, so you should feel like when you move through, you should be able to get up to this alignment stick.
Got it.
And then from here, we don't want to keep on moving. At this point, we're going to want to let everything release through and go towards our target. Got it. Go ahead and take 1 swing for me. How did that one feel?
Different. And I still missed it that direction. But I felt like I moved more towards my target, not like with my belt buckle rather than my hips.
Okay. So using this as a practice tool, we can see now throughout this lesson and then the practice you're going to have after this, we're going to see how much more comfortable it can be for you to keep that alignment stick. So you can start with it maybe 5 inches from your outside of your hip and then try to keep on moving it closer and closer until you feel like you're...
Is there a point where this is too close?
Yeah, your body's naturally going to move through your target where everything is going to kind of move forward. So it's not like exactly where you start is where you're going to finish. But the biggest thing is definitely going to be by the time you move all the way through is going to be your head position.
Got it.
You know, at impact, where you can see a lot of the times those who slide too much, their head moves with their slide, which is bringing your head too far over, which is going to make the club just going to keep on getting stuck.
Got it.
So make 1 more swing for me.